The wait is finally over. DJI has officially revealed the Avata 3, and it's looking like the most advanced FPV drone we've ever seen. Sleeker design, lighter frame, a brand new 04 Plus transmission system, and up to 28 minutes of flight time. This thing is built to fly faster, smarter, and smoother than ever before. With its 4K 120 frames per second camera, upgraded AI flight assistant, and redesigned Goggles 3 Pro, the Avata 3 is taking cinematic FPV flying to a whole new level. But that's not all. DJI just confirmed the price, release date, and a few surprises that no one saw coming. So, what's new, how much will it cost, and when can you get your hands on it? Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Let's dive into everything we know about the DJI Avata 3, from its official specs to its incredible performance upgrades, because this might just be the ultimate FPV drone of 2025. The world of FPV drones is about to change once again because DJI has officially confirmed what many drone enthusiasts have been waiting for: the DJI Avata 3. Yes, it's real, it's coming soon, and it brings a whole new level of design evolution, power efficiency, and flight intelligence that could redefine the entire FPV experience in 2025. For those who love the Avata 2 for its cinematic agility and immersive FPV flying, the upcoming Avata 3 is shaping up to be a serious upgrade that blends creative freedom with professional-grade control. According to official confirmations and insider leaks, DJI has completely reimagined the Avata's design. Sleeker, lighter, and more aerodynamic, with improved propeller guards and an advanced airflow system to reduce drag and boost efficiency. The body has been re-engineered using carbon-reinforced polymers, giving it better crash resistance while keeping it extremely lightweight, making it ideal for high-speed, low-altitude flights in urban or cinematic environments. DJI's engineers seem to have taken user feedback from both the Avata and Avata 2 seriously, introducing better prop protection, stronger arms, and a redesigned battery bay for quick swaps during shoots. Speaking of power, the new intelligent flight battery is said to deliver up to 28 minutes of flight time, a solid jump from the Avata 2's 23 minutes, thanks to the new DJI PowerCell 5.0 system that optimizes voltage output and reduces heat buildup during high-performance maneuvers. At the heart of the Avata 3 is DJI's latest 04 Plus transmission system, which now offers a jaw-dropping 20 km video range with ultra-low latency of just 10 milliseconds, making it one of the most responsive FPV systems ever built. This ensures buttery smooth live feeds even in challenging environments, and for professional pilots, that kind of responsiveness is crucial. The new DJI Goggles 3 Pro and DJI RC Motion 3 controller are designed to complement this upgrade perfectly. The goggles now feature a micro-OLED 1080p display with a 120Hz refresh rate, improved anti-fog design, and dual front-facing pass-through cameras for situational awareness, so you can look around without taking them off. The RC Motion 3 brings enhanced precision, offering improved throttle sensitivity, customizable control curves, and a new cinematic drift mode that allows pilots to perform ultra-smooth sideways glides for that cinematic FPV look that's often hard to achieve with traditional drones. Under the hood, the Avata 3 is powered by DJI's next-generation A2 flight controller, integrating advanced IMU sensors,